Yeah, bro.
Dad, I'm gonna need you to get this fish off the hook. Oh, this one.
Where's those
Scissors.
Yeah, watch your fingers. Dan, there should be pliers somewhere.
There's 30 on the boat. Guys,
4.
someone get this.
Yeah, I got you. Oh, you see the one following it up right there?
It's like kissing.
Just net that thing.
I'm in net. Alright, I need a net too. Do you have the gaff?
Here, pull him in, pull him in, pull him in, pull him in.
Uh-oh. Hang on again.
Nice.
Thank you for pulling mine in.
Here, babe, pop that thing in.
Hold on. I'm in that one. Ready?
You're gonna net that one there?
Net it.
Lauren, we got like an aquarium going on here.
That's
Yeah.
not
No shit. You need to come over here. I need to get bait.
Get it!
Grab that.
No.
Yeah, that's what we'll do. Yeah, we put that bait there and then you just catch him.
Yeah.
Just gonna hold him in the water so you can catch the other one.
All right, net him up.
Hold on.
Oh, dude,
Oh,
see them
look
all?
at
See how they all followed it up?
There's
Yeah,
like
hold that-
5.
hold that in the water.
What?
When you're real.
Here, pop that thing in, Emilio.
What do we have, like 5?
Oh.
Baits. All the rods have a fish on it.
Not this one.
Oh, yeah, see him?
Yeah.
Here, put bait on the.
Okay, ready?
I need some bait.
Danny, bait up Emilio.
Oh. Here, drop it.
Digi's done following.
Yeah.
We need these
Yeah.
two fish.
They went back down. I don't
Yep,
see
they went
them.
back down.
One of them, I think mine just broke.
We'll watch the fish.
All right, Jay, here, babe, let him get in here.
Yeah, I know the fish on there.
It's not going anywhere.
Drop
I
it
won't let
down.
my fish on there.
We go right here. This is why.
Where am I going?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Put that baby in the
Over the rail and in the pail.
It's for you.
Oh, you caught that one for your mommy? Get it!
Then mommy, just reel him.
Don't pump, just wind that
Reel it
thing.
up, just reel it up.
Just wind it. You do better when you just wind.
Just take the net.
You don't need a net.
Good job, bud.
Is it a? Oh, that is a fatty.
Alright, stop. Bring him right into that.
Yeah, just walk up. That's it. Walk back. Let me see that
Is he a
sucker.
keeper?
Yeah, medium.
Oh,
Oh,
my God, yeah.
That's
a
mine,
nice
medium.
fat
Put that
sea bait.
Here, me, let me take a picture.
Get your line in it. Walk.
Hold that up, babe.
Pictures
Big
are
one,
later.
medium.
I want to get it.
Here, I'll get it in the water.
Yeah, oh, you're gonna just go take that rod if she doesn't want it? Look at that fatty. That's a nice sea. Oh, it's got a gulp in its mouth?
Nuclear chicken.
Here, hold it up by Emilio,
I
babe.
think it's a
Just
little
hold it up.
bigger than
Here, Emilio,
Kyle
smile.
Lynch's. Emilio.
Smile.
Got one. Oh, no. Lost it.
Here, Danny, stand a step back.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh, big one coming up.
Got it.
All right, mommy. Nice one. That one we'll eat.
Don't pump Emilio. Just keep it like that.
Media, you're locked in the battle.
So that's 2 out of the 12.
2 out of the 12.
They hurt?
Oh, sea robin.
Got one.
Dude, that only took like a second, Media.
Guys, I got one.
Go on, bud.
Oh, fatty. Get him in, get him in, get him in, get him in, get him in.
And Emilio's got one.
Yeah.
Keep that rod so well.
Oh, it's a houndfish. Get the net.
Codfish?
Yeah, here, Emilio, get that in the net. That's a really cool fish. Keep reeling, Emilio. Oh, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Oh shoot!
Hold on, stop reeling, Emilio. Just lift up, just lift up, just lift up. They're hard to get in the net. Uh-oh, Mommy, you might not have the freak fish of the day. Yo, look at the houndfish.
Is that a swordfish?
It's called a houndfish. First one we caught this year.
Are they good eating?
No, but they're cool, pretty cool to look at.
It's like
Let's
a
see that
snake.
video.
It's
Oh,
almost like a snake.
Yeah.
I do love the way they fight.
Oh, yeah. Diamond Dan, the popper man.
I got this.
All right, keep it away from me.
Babe, did you see it hit it? Yeah.
Yeah, Emilio. That might be the biggest one, Emilio.
Yeah, it definitely is.